Hey, this is Bushido, and these are the Razer BlackShark V2 Pros. So I've never used a Razer product ever before, and I must say that these are probably one of the best headsets that I have ever used. The wireless connection for these headsets are absolutely insane. I was able to walk around the entire house without the audio cutting out whatsoever. So these headsets do come with memory foam around the cups and headband to give you most comfort throughout your gaming session. I must say that these are probably one of the most comfortable pair of headsets that I've ever worn. I could sit throughout the whole day wearing them without my head feeling uncomfortable. So out the box you're getting a premium pair of headsets that are catered towards esports players. So if you play Valorant, Call of Duty, or even Counter-Strike, you're able to hear footsteps from a mile away. These headsets do come with active noise cancellation so that they will be able to drown out some of that tedious background noises. On the left side of the headphones, you do have your volume adjustment, your power button, you got a mute button as well, and then you also have your input for the Type-C. On the right here, you do have a button for your Razer EQ, and then a smart switch between your different devices. So you can either connect to your phone or your PC via the dongle, and you can use this button to switch simultaneously. The drivers in this headset are 50mm, and they use the Razer Triforce Titanium driver types. With these headsets, you should be using the Razer Synapse software. It offers you various customizations. You can access different EQ presets or even your own custom one. And then you can also experiment with the THX spatial audio mode. The enhancement tab allows you to adjust your mic quality, such as bass boosting or even voice clarity. In the box, you get the headsets, you get your receiver, you get two braided cables, one will be type A to female and one will be type A to USB-C. And then you get your attachable mic, which will do a sound test for that. Okay, so this is the mic test. Currently it's sitting on the default settings. For the enhancements, you get a mic noise cancellation, which is currently on right now. This is back with it on. This is with voice clarity. And if I turn that off, it goes back to normal. My favorite preset to use is Broadcaster, which is kind of lifts off the bass and brings down the mids a bit. And you also have your mic boost. It's just gonna do a little arch for the mids, and then you have your conference that just drops down all the bass and just brings up the highs. And then you have your custom ones, which I just boosted the bass, but Broadcast is definitely my favorite one to use. Out the box, these headphones were charged roughly about 60%, and they lasted me throughout the day without having to recharge until say the next day, say in the afternoon the next day. On a full charge, you're getting roughly about 70 hours. Again, these headsets are extremely good. So if you are looking for a new pair of headsets or wireless pair of headsets that are catered towards esports players, I would definitely recommend these to you. My final thoughts for these headsets I am beyond happy making Razer my number one brand to go to now for audio. Also to add, if you're looking for a new keyboard to pair with these headsets, I would definitely recommend the Razer Huntsman and using the latest technology from Razer SnapTap. Once again, I'm Bushido, and thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.